What is up? What is up? For those of you that aren't new to the channel, you know I have the G87 M2 for about 4 months now. I meant to make another video on this car because I did do an upgrade, but I never got to make the video. So we will also be going over that in today's video. Alright guys, we have made it over here to the shop. I have the M2 behind me right here. I've been putting this off for a minute just because I didn't want to take the front wheels off. I know it's easy, I'm just lazy. Go ahead and track all these. And then jacking the car up. Right here, there's a jack point. Put that on that and jack her up, baby. So, as you can see, got the car jacked up in the air. Gonna use the impact to just blast those the rest of the way off, and then the wheel should just pop off. And I don't know if anybody else noticed, but these lug nuts on this side were suspiciously not tight. Kind of worries. Then you guys will need a 10mm socket. There, that gray thing right there is our module that we need. So let's get it. There will be 2 screws on it like this. I already took one out, but the other one is at the top right there. So let's get that one out. Okay guys, I lied. There's one more screw right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's also very hot inside of there. I'm gonna have to turn this on. All right guys, there's a little connector that slides on, but other than that, it literally just falls right out of the car once you do that. Here's the new ones, and here's how many screws it takes. Those screws and those screws, that's about it. Including taking your wheel off. Sorry, forgot about that. That are the same size as the one that holds the thing into the car. Pop those out. Our new DRL modules. Oh, a little sticker too. With the new. Alright, so it literally just sets down in the exact spot that the original one did. Exact same way. Boom. Now it is ready to be plug back in and put back in the car. Alright, I don't know if you're supposed to do this, but we're gonna do it anyways. Oh, that is so tough. Oh my god. Alright, we gotta do the other side. Alright guys, I went ahead and took a little break, took the gloves off. Wanted to talk to you guys real quick. If you are interested in seeing more content on this car, I know it's a fairly new car and platform to the world. The M2s haven't been out that long. I mean, it's not a crazy car or whatever, but if you want to see more content on it, man, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and all that. I have some other mods to show you towards the end of the video. Hint. But for your guys' time's sake and my time's sake, I'm just gonna blow through this side really quick. It's the exact same process as the other side. So if you're doing this along with me, just know that it's the same thing on the other side. Easy breezy. All right, guys. The yellow DRLs are officially installed, and right now I'm on the way to the gas station. I'm on the way to the car wash to wash off my car. Guys, these things look insane. You guys are gonna love them. I'm so hyped. 2, 1. Yes. Yes. I absolutely love it. And the other mod I was gonna show you guys, it's these right here. front mount intake. So let me wash the car off, then I'll pop the hood and show you what the intakes look like and give you an overall walk around and plans for this car. Of course, gotta start with the brake bomber. Non-acidic, of course. Car's all clean. Well, sort of clean. I don't know. That sounds awful. Like under here, now that the front mount intakes are in. Boom. So there's a little aerial view. But as you can see right here and right here, there's a lot of cargo space now because there's normally boxes right there for the intakes, obviously, which are right here, which has a bug in it. That's nice. But yeah, a lot of people hate these. A lot of people love them. Really, people hate them because they think that they will get hit and weathered and your motor will suck it up and you'll blow up your motor. But this car is garage kept. I do daily drive it, but I'm honestly not worried about it. And if something happens that's my fault, I'll deal with the consequences. So I really hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, please make sure and subscribe, like, comment what you want to see next on this car. I'm thinking lowering springs, maybe a full Valvetronic exhaust, wheels, front lip, stage 2 tune. I know, I got a lot of plans for this car. Yeah, so stay tuned, guys.